this is season 2 of Sailor Berry. Welcome to the show. If you're new here, this show is about sailing around on our 1956 wooden sailboat, Dagon. Together, my girlfriend Hailey and I restored Dagon and we got her back in the water. We're just traveling around, relaxing, enjoying our hard work, and looking for work wherever it may be it shipwright work, or boat deliveries for me, or tattoo guest spots in different cities for Hailey. We're just learning the ropes of the boat and what it's like to live aboard together. Thanks for tuning in. I really hope you guys enjoy watching this show go from the boatyard to the ocean. Enjoy the episode. Our first trip to Gabriela has now come to a close and we are about to sail back to Vancouver. I regret giving away my sculling oar now.
Yeah, but it was in the way. It's kind of a nightmare. Also, I'll tell you if this is helping keep going.
Giving this a shot for shits and giggles.
It looks funny.
Yeah, perfect. This is
so comfy, hey?
it's great. I feel like Chloe DeVille driving in the fucking park. Yeah, no, this is great. Love this. It's just like,
Just, sit up on the one side of it.
how is this? Yeah, no, totally. I can just, yeah. No, I'll just, here, yeah. Perfect. So,
We got the dinghy up on the davit so that we don't slow ourselves down at all. How fast are we going, Sweets?
3.9.
3.9? And you fell off a little bit. I bet you we'll pick up in a sec. We're pinching, but I just threw up the staysail that Simon gave me. And it looks great. Fills the space. It's shaped nearly identical as the Jenny. Which is wonderful. They're perfect for slotting together. And woo! Yeah, we got us some good sail shape going on. We're cruising. And I chase the sun. You want to find and now my days are done. Too many lovers makes you on the run. Oh, I should have known better. Because I tried too hard, spoken too soon, and I ain't got to run. Then I shot the moon. Oh, the while I look at you and you'd say, oh, you should have known better, baby. Oh, you should have known better, baby. Oh, you should have known better. How fast are we going, babe?
Fucking 4.5, motherfucker.
Whoa!
It's a speedboat.
Yeah, we're heading to Bowen Island basically right now.
Barry didn't want to go see anything. It wasn't going to be enough.
So what the forecast said, it was going to go light.
He was like, motherfucker, we're leaving today.
But it's also southeast, which is really fucking weird because it's supposed to be in northwest today.
Well, and it'll even be better when we go that way, won't it? So we can just kind of zigzag in.
Yeah. We'll have to tack up and down English Bay.
Like we're beating against the seas, but whatever. I need some seas. Oh, baby, now I do. Oh, my darling, now I do. Much too tired to even scores. My wife, she left me back in 94. Oh, I should have known better. And as I sit within my shallow grave, looking for answers that I should have saved, just out of heaven's reach, amazing grace. Oh, I should have known better. Because I tried too hard, spoken too soon, and I ain't got too drunk and shot the moon. Oh, the while look at you would say, oh, you should have known better, baby.
Look at that ass. That's an ass of a sailor. Don't jump underneath the boat though. Jump off to the side, okay? Oh yeah, I guess not. Nice one, babe. You sure? I'm saving you, babe. It's a bait watch. Bait watch. Rescue.
So as predicted, light winds, glassy calm. We are absolutely adrift right now, but it's supposed to pick up northwest in an hour or two, so we're just bobbing around here hoping to catch some wind. There's vaguely, if you look at the wind instrument, vaguely some wind behind us, but we're not going anywhere. We're just moving around with the current, so. So our batteries for lithium ions are supercharged up through our solar. We're going 0 right now. So we are becalmed, and as a continuation of using the electric propulsion, I just rigged this up, got power to it off the Redodo, and we got lots of sun right now, so we might as well just use it. We're rolling a bit, so it'll be in and out of the water. At least it's not an electric or a gas outboard that needs to be in the water, so that's nice. What?
Actually, we got up to 2 knots. So.
We're up to 2 knots? Damn.
But yeah, the sail is not really doing much.
Yeah. The wind looks like it's finally starting to fill everywhere, but it's not really helping us.
Breeze would be nice.
So while we've got the sun, peak day, I'm just gonna burn this battery down a little bit and make some progress towards land. So the wind is finally coming back just a little bit, and we are going 2.5 knots. We're a little over halfway, and
It's been like what, 4 or 5 hours?
Yeah.
So not a fast way to get there. Sir, are you paying attention to what's going on around you?
not at all.
You probably should. Do I have to take over? Can I take over? I've got the shady spot.
Oh, sneaky devil.
This spot is way better. You know how I know? Because I saw the shade and then I asked politely. Gal always gets what she wants.
Absolutely. We've been running that outboard for 2.5? Yeah, 2.5 hours. And that bank is still at 13.2 volts.
You know it's hot when you start putting clothes back on.
Yeah, Haley's just cocoon lady over there.
I'm just like trying to keep the sun off my skin.
Smart gal. What speed are we going?
2.6.
2.6.
2.8.
That's crazy. Yeah, the winds definitely have picked up a bit, so we have the foresail up. It's kind of flogging a bit, but it fills largely, which is nice. So it's catching some extra wind. And we got the wind just on our aft quarter there, so easy peasy.
Yeah, nothing new to report. Nothing.
Oh, we saw jumping fish.
Yeah, we saw jumping fish. Saw a porpoise. We just blasted into Vancouver. This makes it all worth it, I think.
We are now, we were going downwind with it, but we just jibed, so now we're coming this way. We got it on our beam, and as a result, we got all the sails up, and how fast are we going? 4.8 to 5. 4.8? And we're just hooning along. Clipping along great. This is wonderful. Genuinely like the coolest I've been all day, temperature wise. If you get right in the slot between the staysail and the Jenny, it's like a funnel. It's amazing. It's so good. You should come try it. Great getaway with our friends. Good food, good chilling. And now we're just pulling back into the city, where I'm gonna drop anchor and start figuring things out where it doesn't cost me $1,000 a month.
Really looking forward to showering at my house tonight. That's only 5.3. Go small, go now, right?
Absolutely. We could still be in the boatyard.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll just have to like start figuring out how to do jobs. But it could be a solar power.
I heard a sound, and it's that the propeller's spinning. We're going 6 knots. So we're just pulling into English Bay now, and
Joyful delight of colors.
yeah,
Sailboats.
there's so many boats out practicing and racing right now. There's even a foiling boat out there.
Yeah, we're still going 4.2 knots, so it's definitely the wind's dying over here for the big boated individuals, but that's okay. We just have to get into the creek now. So Barry said he would do the side tow situation. So let's see if he does it.
We get the royal welcome back to Vancouver. It's our friends from Orlock and Sail.
Well, if it isn't our friends from Warlock and Sail.
Hopefully Daniel, maybe? I don't know.
Hours and a half.
11 and a half hours.
Damn, so that's what it takes just to sail somewhere
Without a motor.
without good wind either.
Yeah.
Like,
Hats off to Lynn and Larry. Holy shit.
fuck dude, that's exhausting. I like motors. A lot more now.
We treated ourselves to a Slurpee and some 7-Eleven hot dogs.
Ooh, those are city treat.
Yeah. It is weird. You can hear sirens. There's people everywhere. It's crazy. But as a bonus, we anchored right next to Travels with Jordy, Peter. So he invited us over for a beer. So we're just gonna go over there now and wrap up our day chatting about boats and YouTube and
Then
shit.
I'll probably go home because I
Yeah.
live here, but we'll see if I can pack all my shit up and get a taxi or something here.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sure you can.
Yeah, I would like to shower tonight and sleep in my nice bed.
That is entirely
Oh,
understandable.
look, it's Dagon.
Oh.
It's still there.
Yeah. We'll take you guys over to Peter's boat. Oh, sweet. This is gonna be great. If you haven't checked out Travels with Jordy before, check it out. It's our friend Peter's channel, and he is restoring his monk boat, his motorboat here, and he is a classy gentleman, and he has classy content. What a guy. It was funny because the lead acid couldn't keep up, couldn't charge fast enough, it couldn't maintain a charge, any of that stuff. So in the end, it wasn't able to even run my fridge, which is only a 6 amp draw, and there's tons of sun out, everything. It just wasn't working. So Red Auto is now running everything, and I start the day every day with more of a charge than I had the day before. It's almost always at 100%. It's accepting a full charge from the solars, and it doesn't drain completely down when I spend half a day with the fridge on. It either maintains with solar or goes above and beyond. So another reason to ditch your lead acid. We're currently charging the boat off of the Jackery a lot right now. And we're curious, we have the panels, one on port and one on starboard, haphazardly, but the sun is setting in the west right now, and neither of the panels are pointed to west. We're currently at 14 watts of input. So yeah, so Hailey is gonna move the solar panels. To face the sun. And we're just gonna see how much of an increase we get, if
Oh
any.
yeah, this one is like completely obstructed. And they're so light and easy to move. Okay, that's gonna make a huge freaking difference. Like, yeah, that's fine.
Flick down this corner of this guy here that's blocking the backside of the bifacial, because that'll also impact the performance.
Oh, right.
Perfect. Great.
That
Yeah.
is probably significantly better. Check
What
it
do you
out.
think? Come on down, come on down.
My beer's on the other side. Okay, hold on one second. I'm just wearing a skirt.
Skirt, skirt.
Actually, can you just grab my beer? It's right there. Do you want to make a guess? I'm gonna say 45 watts.
45, I guess, yeah. I was gonna guess 35.
Oh shit, well that's higher or lower. Higher or lower. 18. Oh, 18 watts. Okay, well, you know, it's cloudy outside.
It is. And it's the end of the day. So it made 4 watts difference. We were talking about how it's kind of convenient that you can be lazy with them because they're bifacial, and you just leave one set up on port and one set up on starboard, and you kind of bank on that at some point in the day, one or the other is going to be ideal. And this kind of proves that, like, that rings true.
But I mean, honestly, if we were getting those extra 3 watts for like the majority of the day,
Yeah, if
and
we
it would have
were-
been way greater because it was hot as fuck today.
And if we were like in the middle of nowhere and our
Like,
power really mattered.
Every half an hour, if they, well, just anytime we come on deck, we need to check those because that will make a huge difference for the Jackery.
Yep.
Because we do charge our main battery off of it, so
Yeah.
keep that in mind.
Yeah, definitely. Well, we also
We're still-
dual recharge our battery off of those as well. So we're just kind of doubling down and using both solar systems to charge it, which is cool.
Oh yeah.
Every little bit counts. Yeah.
Our stepping on, hated everything to hate her. She took us down to the edge of Decatur. He's alright and the kangaroo take her down to the river where they caught a wild alligator. Yep.
That's beautiful.
Anyone would like a glass of wine? No pressure to drink too much tonight, but I'm gonna break into the wine. So I don't have to go
Do
anywhere
it.
after this. So
It's tight. I can
Okay, okay. Oh my god. Things that I saw.
Oh, hell yeah.
Think I was blind
Before I met you.
Don't know what I am, don't know what I've been, but I know where I want to go. So I thought I'd let you know. Yeah, these things take forever.
Especially in slow.
I realized that I need you, and I wondered if I could come home. Remember the time you drove all night
Just to meet me in the doorway.
Thought I was strange, you said everything changed. You said, as if you just woke up. And you said, this is the first day of my life. Glad I didn't die before I met you. Now I don't care if you go anywhere with you. And I'm probably happy. So if you wanna be with me, well, these things take no telling. We'll just have to wait and see. But I'm really working for a paycheck, waiting to win the lottery. Besides, maybe this time it's different. I mean, I really think you like me.
He keeps going.
What is it about? That's the end of the lyrics.
Yeah, there is like a little instrumental bit.
prolonged ye.
No, he does. He does like 7 or 8 ye's at the end there for sure.
I know. You like me.
Me.
Oh, yeah.
And then he does 2 more. He's like,
Yeah.